So guys, this is my steamed chicken leg. As you can see, deliciously looking. As well, it tastes nice. I've tasted it and it was so nice. And very and good afternoon and happy Thursday to everyone. So today I'm gonna show you my own version of steamed chicken leg. So for this we will be needing the following ingredients. Of course we will be needing chicken leg. This is about 1 kg of chicken leg. We will be also using this soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and liquid seasoning, oyster sauce, and olive oil. Just a dash of olive oil. So we will not be needing lots of olive oil since this is the steaming. So I'm putting just a dash of olive oil just to give another additional taste to the chicken. So aside from this, we will be of course needing a chop of 1 medium size of onion, 10 cloves of garlic, and 1 lemon. And I'm gonna use this as well. This is from my garden. I harvested it just now. So we use this also. This is lemongrass. Okay, so now let's get started. So I have here chicken. We just basically have to dump everything here in a one bowl. And we have to squeeze our lemon. Okay, and after this, we have to put the soy sauce. Soy sauce, I'm putting like 1 tablespoon. And oyster sauce, I put like 1 tablespoon as well. Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. And this seasoning, 1 tablespoon as well. And on this, we have to put just half teaspoon of salt.
And Isabella's here.
Yes. And then just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's it. So now, we just have to give a good mix. You can use your hands. If you don't want to touch the meat, then you can use your gloves. I have gloves, but I like doing like this and then by hand. So you have to make sure that everything should be coated with the marination. So now this is done. So we have to set aside this for 30 minutes before we steam our chicken pieces. So now our chicken has been sitting for 30 minutes. So now we start cooking our chicken. So we have to put our chicken here in the foil. We're gonna use foil. So in here, you can just have to put your chicken in. how it is. And then we have to put our lemongrass just on the top. And then we will wrap this. So now we have to put this in the steamer. So now this is ready. We have to pop it in the pop this in the boiling water. So just have to put it here. Let's be fine. Just cover it. And let's just cook this in a medium flame. Let's just check. I don't know how long it will take, but let's check after 45 minutes. Let's check our chicken. So
and you can buy this in the stores, Paw Patrol gummy.
Yes. So let's check our chicken, guys.
Check our chicken.
Sorry. This chicken has been cooking for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm sure it is cooked. So now let's check if it's really cooked. So now let's open it. It's very hot. And you know, this steam is really good for those who is dieting. This is really perfect. If you're dieting, this is good for you. Steaming. So now, as you can see, it's nicely cooked. Very smells good from the lemongrass. So it's very nice. I like this. So now, this is my chicken, steamed chicken leg. So now we do the plating. Sorry. So now we do the plating. So guys, this is my steamed chicken leg. As you can see, deliciously looking. As well, it tastes nice. I've tasted it and it was so nice and very healthy. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope that you like my recipe today, and I'll see you to my next one. Bye!
Bye!